If you've taken a look at your child's goalie, then you probably noticed the weather app. The app is there so that your child can make good choices on what to wear and whether to play outside or inside. These help build independence and better decision making. Goalie comes with the app disabled, so today we're going to learn how to enable the weather app. To enable the weather app, you first need to go to your settings. You can do this by clicking the 3 gray bars at the top of your goalie app screen. Once you click that, a drop-down menu will appear and you'll be able to click Settings. When you look at Settings, you'll see this option here, Weather on Goalie. If you tap the switch, you'll be able to toggle it to on. Once you toggle weather on, all you need to do is enter your zip code so that you'll have the correct weather information for your area. Once you do this, you'll notice the weather app is now lit up instead of grayed out. Your child can now click on it. Once your child clicks on the weather app, they'll be able to see the high temperature for the day, the current temperature, and whether or not there's going to be any sort of weather. This information ensures that your child will be able to make the best choices when they get ready for their day.